Assalamu alaikum. I am Muhammad Ammar, a professional video editor with over 6 years of hand-on experience creating high-quality content for YouTube, social media, and online businesses. I specialize in turning raw footage into engaging professional videos through clean editing, color correction, smooth transition, motion graphics, audio enhancement, subtitles, and storytelling. I also have experience optimizing YouTube content and understand how editing impact audience retention and engagement. I'm someone who values clear communication, attention to detail, and meeting deadlines. My goal is not just to edit videos, but to help clients create content that delivers result and leave a strong impression on their audience. Whether you need YouTube videos, social media content, promotional videos, or long-form projects, I am committed to delivering work that meets high professional standards. Thank you for visiting my profile. I look forward to working with you and helping bring your ideas to life. Thank you.